Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says significance of kola nut in Igbo culture. We are going to learn what kola nut signifies in Igbo culture. Last time we learned about different things we can use to present as kola nut. So today, let us know the significance of kola nut in Igbo culture. What kola nut symbolizes in Igbo culture. Let's start. Number 1. Kola nut is a symbol of peace and unity. Class, say it. Kola nut is a symbol of peace and unity. Yes, kola nut is a symbol of peace and unity. Whenever you have visitors or a visitor in your compound or in your house, first of all, you have to bring kola nut to welcome them. Whether garden egg, alligator pepper, kola nut, anything that can serve as kola nut. When you bring them out to welcome your visitors, it signifies peace and unity, that you welcome them with your good heart. Kola nut is presented to the guests as a sign of welcome and hospitality. Have you seen it? That is what we have explained. When you present kola nut to your visitors or your visitor, it shows that you welcome them in peace. Another one is that it's used in ceremonies and rituals to bring people together and promote harmony. Yes, in any gathering, after opening prayer, the second agenda will be presentation of kola nut. Because when you bring the kola nut, by sharing that kola nut in that gathering, it brings people together. It brings the spirit of people together in that occasion. Be it garden egg or kola nut or bitter kola, anything at all that you use as kola nut, even if it is biscuit, the kola nut shows togetherness in that occasion. Sharing kola nuts is seen as a way to break down barriers and build trust. Class, repeat after me. Sharing kola nuts is seen as a way to break down barriers and build trust. Have you seen it? In a gathering, when you share kola nuts, when you have visitors and you brought kola nuts, you bless it, you share it, take the kola nut and eat, and also present the rest to your visitors or your visitor. That kola nut breaks barriers and also build a strong trust between you and your visitors. Because even if they have something negative against you, you yourself have break the kola nut. After blessing it, you break the kola nut and you pick the part and eat, and also give the rest to them. It will melt their heart. It will build a strong trust. Sharing kola nuts breaks barriers and also builds strong trust. Number 4 says, it is a cornerstone of Igbo traditions and the customs, representing the value and beliefs of the community. Class, repeat after me. It is a cornerstone of Igbo traditions. Again, it is a cornerstone of Igbo traditions and customs, representing the value and beliefs of the community. Have you seen it? That Igbos, they cannot have any function without presenting kola nut. Igbos believe that kola nut is very, very essential in their tradition. Any function in Igbo land, like opening of the house, child education, marriages, burials, etc., there must be sharing of kola nut, because they believe that kola nut brings people together. in harmony. So kola nut is very, very essential in Igbo land. So there are many other significance of kola nut, what it stands for. So like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Drop your opinion at the comment section. Bye for now.